Welcome to this presentation on facility management, specifically focusing on the roles and responsibilities of supervisors and the essential aspects of firefighting systems. I'm Venu Natraj and I'll be guiding you through this module. The intent of this video is to provide valuable insights not only to students but also to the professionals in the field of construction management. By the end of this presentation, you will understand the roles and responsibilities of facilities management supervisors, identify the basic requirements and components of firefighting systems, recognizing the importance of regular maintenance of firefighting systems, and examining the fire safety considerations for different building types. We will cover each of these objectives in detail as we progress through the slides. Roles of a facility management supervisor oversee and coordinate daily operations and maintenance, ensuring compliance with safety and security standards, as well as implement preventive maintenance programs to minimize downtime and equipment failure. This position may also involve managing a team of maintenance staff and contractors to ensure all tasks are completed efficiently and effectively. Managing staff, scheduling, assigning work, performance reviews. The facilities management supervisor is responsible for providing guidance and support to the maintenance team, as well as monitoring and evaluating their performance to ensure productivity and quality of work. The supervisor also plays a key role in fostering a collaborative and positive work environment, optimize staff morale and effectiveness, ensuring compliance with health, safety, and fire regulations. It is essential to keep up with the latest health, safety, and fire regulations, as any breaches in compliance can result in serious consequences for organizations. Additionally, conducting regular safety inspections and making any necessary adjustments will help maintain a secure and compliant environment for everyone in the facility. Conducting regular facility inspections to identify issues. These inspections help ensure that any maintenance or repairs needed are promptly addressed, minimizing downtime and maintaining a safe and functional environment for all occupants. Additionally, the facilities management supervisor is responsible for implementing and overseeing preventive maintenance programs to extend the lifespan of facility assets and reduce the likelihood of costly breakdowns. Planning and managing the required maintenance and upgrade for equipment and tools in the facility. This includes assessing the current condition of equipment and tools, prioritizing maintenance and upgrades based on need and budget. It also includes coordinating with vendors and technicians to schedule necessary work. The facilities management supervisor also tracks and monitors the progress of maintenance and upgrade projects, ensuring that they are completed on time and within budget. And finally, managing the budgets, inventory, and procurement of supplies. This involves creating and managing the budgets for facility maintenance and upgrades, tracking expenses, and ensuring that they align with the allocated funds. The facilities management supervisor is also responsible for maintaining an accurate inventory of supplies and equipment, as well as procuring necessary items to support the smooth operation of the facility. Key responsibilities of a supervisor. Supervisors provide leadership, guidance, and motivation to their teams. They ensure that the work is being done efficiently and effectively, while also fostering a positive work culture. In addition, supervisors are also responsible for the training and development of the team members to help them reach their full potential. They enforce policies and procedures for efficient operations. Supervisors play a crucial role in resolving conflicts and addressing any issues that may arise within the team. This involves effectively communicating with the team members and mediating any disputes to ensure a harmonious work environment. Training of staff on the proper use of equipment and safety protocols. Supervisors ensure that their team members are well trained in using equipment and following safety protocols to prevent accidents and injuries in the workplace. This includes providing ongoing training and support to promote a culture of safety and compliance with regulations. Maintaining accurate records and documentation. This involves keeping track of training sessions, safety inspections, and incident reports to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Additionally, supervisors are responsible for documenting staff performance, issues, and disciplinary actions to maintain a transparent and accountable work environment. Communicating with management and other departments. Supervisors must effectively communicate with upper management and other departments to address safety concerns, share important information, and collaborate on safety initiatives. This open line of communication ensures that everyone is working together to maintain a safe and compliant workplace. And finally, responding promptly to emergencies and urgent maintenance needs. This includes being able to assess the situation quickly and initiate the appropriate response or repairs in a timely manner. By staying calm under pressure, supervisors can help ensure the safety of employees and minimize potential damage to the workplace. Now let's look at the firefighting systems and their basic requirements. Provision for early detection and warning for smoke, heat detectors and alarms. Means for rapid control and extinguishing of fire. This is done through sprinklers, extinguishers. Adequate water supply and pressure for the sprinkler, hydrant system. Appropriate to the occupancy type and fire hazard present in the building. And meeting applicable fire safety codes and standards. The key components of firefighting systems can be classified as fire pumps, which are required to ensure adequate water pressure for sprinkler and hydrant systems. Emergency power supply. This keeps systems operational during power outages. Passive fire protection system. This includes fire-resistant walls and doors to contain fires and prevent the spread of fire. Fire detection and alarm systems. These provide early warning to occupants and emergency services. Finally, the fire suppression systems. This is done through usage of water, foam, or chemicals to control and extinguish fires. Each component plays a vital role in the overall effectiveness of the firefighting system. Maintenance of firefighting systems. This includes regular inspections of all fire safety equipments. This ensures that the equipment is good and in working condition and ready to use in case of an emergency. It also helps identify any potential issues or malfunctions that need to be addressed promptly. Annual testing of fire detection and suppression systems ensures that they are functional. Some jurisdictions may require fire safety equipment to be inspected and tested on a regular basis, so it's important to stay up to date with local regulations. In addition to regular inspections, it's essential for businesses to have a comprehensive fire safety plan in place to protect employees and property. Periodic fire drills and staff training help in doing the comprehensive fire safety plan. These drills help ensure that employees are familiar with evacuation procedures and know how to react in case of a fire. By regularly practicing these protocols, businesses can minimize the risk of panic and confusion during an actual emergency. Clear access to fire exits, extinguishers, and hose rails must be maintained. Regular checks should be conducted to ensure that these fire safety equipments and exits are unobstructed and in working condition. Additionally, placing clear and visible signs throughout the premises can further assist employees in quickly locating these essential resources during an emergency. Ensuring that the water tanks are full and pumps are functional. This is vital. Regular maintenance and testing of the sprinkler system can help ensure its readiness in the event of a fire. It's also important to have a designated individual or team responsible for overseeing these fire safety measures and protocols within an organization. Keeping records of all inspections, tests, and maintenance activities. This documentation can serve as evidence of compliance during safety audits and can also help identify any potential areas for improvement and future preventive measures. Having a well organized record keeping system not only demonstrates the organization's commitment to safety but also ensures that important information is readily accessible in case of an emergency or regulatory inquiry. Regular maintenance not only ensures compliance with regulations but also extends the lifespan of the equipments involved. Fire safety considerations by occupancy types. Fire safety strategies need to be customized based on the type of building occupancy. For instance, residential buildings may require measures such as smoke detectors and fire escape plans, while industrial facilities might need fire-resistant construction materials and sprinkler systems. By tailoring fire safety strategies to the unique characteristics of each building, the risk of fires and the potential damage they can cause can be minimized. Let's look at these requirements based on occupancy types. For high-rise buildings, a type of occupancy that requires specialized strategies with a priority for residents' safety. High-rise buildings pose distinct fire safety challenges due to their height, population density, and the complexity of evaluation. Needless to say, phased evacuation is a key approach in high-rises, allowing for orderly and efficient evacuation of occupants. Refuge areas or designated safe havens within the building provide temporary shelter for the occupants during a fire emergency. Ensuring proper firefighter access, including dedicated elevators and stairwells, is crucial for effective fire response and rescue operations. Coming to industrial facilities, they present unique fire safety challenges compared to other building types. Hazardous materials and potential for explosions require specialized fire safety prevention and response strategies. Proper storage, handling, and containment of hazardous substances are critical to mitigate risks. Robust fire detection, suppression, and emergency response systems are essential. In case of hospitals have their own set of considerations. Hospitals must be designed and operated with robust fire prevention and response measures. One of the biggest challenges to address is the horizontal evacuation. In the event of a fire, hospital patients may need to be evacuated horizontally to adjacent smoke-free zones rather than vertically. We also have the special need to address medical gas safety. Proper handling, storage, and distribution of medical gases like oxygen are crucial to prevent fires and explosions. Given the complex nature of hospitals and the vulnerability of the patients, fire safety must be a top priority in the design and operation of healthcare facilities. In case of shopping malls, the biggest challenge is the crowd. Shopping malls present unique fire safety challenges due to the large open spaces and high occupancy. Effective crowd management is a crucial to ensure the safe evacuations of shoppers in the event of an emergency. Proper smoke control systems are essential to limit the spread of smoke and facilitate safe egress. Malls should have well designed fire alarm systems, clearly marked exits, and ample emergency lighting to guide people out of the building. Maintaining and regularly inspecting fire safety equipments such as sprinklers and fire extinguishers is critical to ensure their proper functioning. Historic buildings present unique fire safety challenges due to their age, construction materials, and the cultural significance they hold. While maintaining the historic character is crucial, fire safety must also be a top priority to protect both the building and its occupants. Retrofitting fire safety systems in historic buildings requires a sensitive approach to avoid damaging or compromising the original architecture and design. Special considerations must be given to preservation of old materials such as wood that may be integral to the building's structure and aesthetic. Balancing fire safety and historic preservation often involves working closely with heritage authorities and fire safety experts to find the most appropriate solutions. Innovative techniques such as the use of hidden or discrete fire detection and suppression systems can help mitigate the impact on the building's historic features. Ongoing maintenance and regular fire risk assessments are crucial to ensure the long-term safety of historic buildings. In summary, supervisors play a crucial role in maintaining a safe environment. They are responsible for enforcing safety protocols and ensuring that all employees adhere to guidelines to prevent accidents and injuries. Additionally, supervisors are tasked with identifying hazards and implementing measures to mitigate risks within the workplace. A robust firefighting system is essential for life safety in any building. It can help to suppress flames and control the spread of fire in the event of an emergency. Regular maintenance and testing of the firefighting systems is necessary to ensure its effectiveness during a fire. Regular inspections and maintenance ensure the reliability of fire safety systems, reducing the risk of equipment failure during an actual emergency. This proactive approach is essential for safeguarding both the occupants and the building itself. Fire safety strategies must be tailored to the specific building occupancy. Understanding the unique needs and risks of each building occupancy is vital for effective fire protection. By developing customized fire safety plans, building owners and managers can help ensure the safety of everyone inside the building. Supervisors must stay updated on fire codes and best practices. They should regularly attend training sessions and workshops to enhance their knowledge in fire safety. Additionally, supervisors must ensure that their employees are also aware of and trained in these fire codes and best practices. By understanding and implementing these strategies, supervisors can significantly enhance the safety and efficiency of their facilities. Your feedback and questions are important for all of us to continue improving and learning. I encourage you to share any queries or comments in the comment section, as they help us understand the subject better and improve our knowledge. Thank you.